Good morning, students. I hope you all are well. So, student, today we are going to start the last topic of the chapter, that is networking devices. So, student, networking devices are those devices which is used to establish the networking connection. Okay, इंटरनेटवर्किंग और नेटवर्किंग के लिए हम जिन डिवाइसेस का यूज़ करते हैं दे आर नोन एज नेटवर्किंग डिवाइसेस. So one by one I am just telling you the devices which we are using in the computer network. So first device is modem. Students, as their name indicate, modem. Actually the modem is composed of two names. One is modulation and second is demodulation. Their MO stands for modulation and DEM stands for demodulation. So the modulation and demodulation is a process in which we are converting the one form of signal to another form. As you know, student, that the computer is a digital machine and it is working with the digital data only. So whenever we are just sending over the the signal over to the distance, we need to convert the digital data into analog and the vice versa at the receiver side. As you know बच्चों की the digital data cannot be sent over to the long distance, so first it is our responsibility to convert the digital signal into analog signal. Okay, so the modem is the device which is used to convert the analog signal into digital and digital signal to into analog signal. Okay, our modem, it acts like a bridge between the internet and telephone line with the computer. Whatever the internet line or a telephone line is coming through our home, which is need to be connected with the computer, so in between we are placing that modem. Okay, so simply it modulates the signal. Okay, now the next device is known as router. As name indicate, it is router, means it will tell the specific or a best path or the route of the data transmission. Whenever we are just sending the data or receiving the data over to the network, then the data will be passes through the route, a specific route. So the router is the device which tells to the data to which path, through which path it will send or receive throughout the network. It will give you the best path through which our data travels. It also just regulate the signal and their data traffic. Okay, simply it distribute or routes the internet connection from the modem to the all networking devices. Either it is wired or wireless, either we PCs, laptops, mobile phone, tablet, etc. Now student, I am just telling you the working of router, how the router works. Simply the router is the first connect with the modem and then it to the other devices. As you are seeing in the picture that the internet connection first is connected with the modem, and then when the modem is connected with the router, and router will connects the various number of devices. Router simply routes or transmits the data packets with the if defined IP address from one network to another or within a network. It does it by providing a local IP address to each device over to the internet, and the IP address is in the form of a list, is already being defined with the router. So whenever a particular message is coming within a network or from other network which passes through the router, then router knows about the particular address of the computer, so it will transmit the data over to that specific node. And let if the router do not have a specific address through which our data is transmitting, then it will pass the data to the nearby or other routers which have connected with the network. Okay student, now the third networking device, that is the bridge. So student, what is bridge? Simply bridge is a networking device that connects multiple LANs, multiple local area network. Let you have an organization, in that you have one LAN, and now you are just setting up a different another LAN, and you want to connect both LANs together. You want to connect with the LANs with the bridge. Okay, a bridge is just like that, it is just connecting two corners over to the river. Okay, So a bridge is a networking device that connect multiple LANs or form a larger LAN. The process of aggregating the network is called network bridging. A bridge connects the different components so that they appear as a part of a single network. Bridge operate at the data link layer of the OSI model, hence it is also referred as a level 2 switches. Simply in the figure you have seen that the two LANs are there and we are connecting it through the bridge. Okay students. Now the next important, very important networking device is gateway. Student, the gateway is just similar to the gate, or can say that the entrance. Okay, so we can say that the gateway is an entrance of a network. Okay, sometimes within a network our computer act like a gateway, or there should be a machine which act like a gateway. Okay, simply you can say that the gateway is a device which connects to dissimilar network or the particular network to the different of the network. Okay, as their name suggests that it is a passage to connect two network together, that they work upon different networking models. जैसे you are connecting your LANs to the internet. Okay, so internet is a different mechanism internet have the different mechanism of networking, and your LAN has the different mechanism of networking. They are two different network, so you are connecting it through the gateway. So simply the gateway may be a machine or the computer which connects your local area network to to make the connection with the internet. Okay बच्चों, actually the basic work of the gateway is to the messenger agent that takes the data from one system and interpret it and transfer it to the another system. Gateway are also called the protocol converters, because as you know बच्चों, we are connecting to dissimilar network, so obviously the two dissimilar network can obviously operate over to the different protocols, so they can easily be convert that particular protocols and they can easily connect to the two different network. Now the next networking device is repeater. As I told you बच्चों, whenever we are just sending the analog signal over to the long distance, then they become weaker. At a certain distance it become weaker. So the repeater is a device which is used to make re-strength. It will provide the re-strength to the signal, so we can send it over to the long distance. So whenever we have a long network, in between we are just placing the repeater to make the signal to avoid the signal weaker. Okay students. Now next is hub. बच्चों हब बिल्कुल इस तरह से है कि आपका जो नंबर ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स एक नेटवर्क के अंदर कनेक्ट होते हैं, उनको नंबर ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स को विद इन द नेटवर्क कनेक्ट करने के लिए वी आर यूजिंग द हब. आप हब को नेटवर्क डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर भी कह सकते हो. आप देख रहे होंगे यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ एक सेंडर है, वो भी आपके हब से कनेक्टेड है, एंड अदर कंप्यूटर ऑल आर रिसीवर्स जो कनेक्टेड है हब से. डू रिमेंबर एक स्पेसिफिक को सेंडर और अदर को रिसीवर यहाँ पे इसलिए बोला गया है क्योंकि हब इज़ नॉट दैट मच इंटेलिजेंट दैट it will send the data to the specific one only. Let a computer connected through a network that wants to send data to the other particular one, then the hub do not know the specific address of the receiver, so it will send the data over to the all computer whosoever is connected with the hub. Okay, but it will be accepted by the destination that PC only, whose receiving address is mentioned in the message. Okay, so you can say that hub is not intelligent. Right now in today's world, most of the network rather than hub, switches are to be used, as switch are the intelligent hub. You can also say that switches are the intelligent hub just because of they are just doing the similar job of hub, but they are intelligent. How? Actually they filters the address of the receiver. Whenever the sender is sending the data over to the particular receiver within the network, then the number of computer which is connected with the switch, they all will receive they all will not receive the message. Only the intended node will receive the message. Why? Because switch is more intelligent than hub, because it filters the address of the receiver. Okay students, so these are the networking device which we have in our syllabus. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.